In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add products to TikTok Shop from Shopify. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Shopify admin because everything happens from inside your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, you will see your sales channels. Look for the TikTok sales channel and click it. This takes you into the TikTok integration area, where you manage how your Shopify products connect to TikTok Shop. Once you are in the TikTok sales channel, you will need to find the section where products are managed. Depending on your view, you will either see a tab called Product Gallery or one called Manage Products. Click into either of those. Both options take you to the same general place, a list or gallery view where you can review what is already connected and choose what to send over next. Now you are ready to add items for syncing. Look for the button labeled Add Products and click it. This is the point where you choose exactly what will be available in your TikTok shop from your Shopify catalog, so take a moment to be intentional with your selection. In the selection window, you can pick specific individual products, or you can choose whole collections if you want to sync a group of items at once. Selecting collections can save time when you have many related products, but selecting individual items is useful when you only want to feature a few bestsellers or seasonal products. After you have made your selections, click Add to confirm. That action starts the sync process, which means Shopify will send the product information into TikTok Shop. In general, it is a good idea to double-check that the products you selected are the ones you truly want live on TikTok, and that they are organized the way you expect. If you are syncing a large collection, it can also help to be consistent with product titles and images, since that is what customers will see on TikTok. Once you click Add, your selected products are on their way to TikTok Shop through the Shopify TikTok sales channel. And that is all there is to it.